Fine.
The respect, the compassion, who like turned 360 the moment Dad was gone. Ang respect sa tao, everything, they're gonna base it on how successful you are. That's how up the world is.
What?
Ako, istorya lang.
Did you forget?
No, I didn't forget. Wait lang.
Ay, fine.
Batigi akong naong.
Unsa man?
What?
Unsa man?
Nan ako istorya.
Yeah.
Gusto ko mo istorya nga di mo hila. Kung mo tulo man akong luha. Wait lang.
Say ay.
Marag ano lang siya ba? Life advice. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna upload this. I might or I might not. Pero ako lang record. I just want you to remember one thing. Like, ibutang yun sa inyong utok. Sa English, ana? Do you even understand Isaiah?
Yes.
What I said, ibutang yun sa inyong utok. I want you to really work hard para pag adult na mo, pag dako na mo, dato mo. Because the reality of life is the people's respect and everything else depends on your financial capacity. I see people like who's kind of bitang the respect, the compassion, who like turned 360 the moment Dad was gone. I see them lost the respect, compassion, and everything else. The moment Dad was gone, I'm like, I don't know, maybe because of the financial capacity wasn't there anymore. So I cannot really blame them, those people, because that's the reality of life. Majority yun siya. Mag-matter din siya on how successful you are. Ang respect sa tao, everything, they're gonna base it on how successful you are. Kung unsa ka naikwarta, like, that's how up the world is. It's really the reality of life. So yeah, although kabaluman ko nga, kamong tuluya, you are very, tawag na, grateful, and then you are very contented. You never demand anything, even though like atong life like turned 360 degrees. The moment that was gone, like I never heard nga nagreklamo mo, no demand or anything, which I am truly grateful for, no? Kala ko kabalo ko naka-remember ba mo, but your dad is very hungry for success. We are total opposite. Ako kay chiller ako, okay na sa ako makakaunta. Pero si dada dili siya mag-settle, ana. He was really hungry for success. Nagkaki siya mga goals na siya target. Ang uban na reach niya, ang uban wala. But I know nga, he did his best. And yeah, I just want to remind you nga, although I am very grateful po nga ingon ana mo, but I don't want you to settle at that. I want you to have the same hunger. Dili po to the point, no, nga, you do something bad or you step on people. No, but like, and when I say hunger for success, I do not mean nga you compare it with other people. Like, dato kasi kuan, dapat mas dato ko. No, dili na siya mao, sayip na siya pud nga notion. What I mean is, you always strive to be a better version of yourself. Imong competition is dili ang mga tao sa palibot, not even your brothers, not even your friends, not even everyone nga makita niyo sa social media. No, they're not your competition. Your real competition is yourself. Oh, I want to be a better version of myself. Ingon ana. Like, do not settle for, ingon anin ako. No. I have the tendency to be like that. Wala ko'y hunger for success, nana. I want you to, like, ibutang yun sa inyong hunahuna. Always strive for a better version of yourself and for success. Kay, ang respect sa tao, mag-base on how well you're doing with life. And also, isa pa jud, as I've always said, di ba? Like, we are always a team. Ako, kamong tulo. Also, it's nice man to have other people outside your family nga who are like your ride and die. But, it would always be better if ang imong siblings ang imong ride or die. And sa kapag kakaroon, grateful pod ko kay makita man ako. I can see it in you sa inyong tulo nga. I can see it in you that you have each other's back. Usually, the real problem would happen if, let's say, you grow up and have lives of your own, ingon ana. Kung kinsa ang nag-need help, tabangan, ingon ana ba? Man ako rant sa man.
Just don't let them get to you. Like,
Hmm?
if they say horrible things to you, just, I don't know if this is good advice, but just don't react, because chances are they're trying. I don't know if this is what they're trying to do, but they might be trying to get you mad. And if that is the case, no.
Hmm?
If they're toxic people, then it's better to just cut them off.
Yeah.
Just ignore them.
And one more thing pa di, no? Failure doesn't equate failure. Whenever you try something and you fail, mura siya learning process ba? You don't have to be successful in one go try. Yun, ana.
Failure is not the end of the journey.
Yeah. Basically, they're like lessons or...
Mom,
ah.
if someone starts talking behind your back, and not even like in a friendly manner, and how friends sometimes do,
Mhm.
like, you know, like would intend to like just be a horrible person, just cut them off.
Yeah. And do not be afraid of failure.
Mm.
Kaya it's part of the journey, man.
And, Mang, as to be honest, I would hug you, but I haven't taken a bath and I'm very stinky.
Sige, sige, I'm gonna hold my breath. Mm.
Thank you.
Wala may warning. Wait lang, do you think we should upload this?
Aside from the sensitive parts, kalong middle especially na part.
That we just like
The
take off
personal
the parts that are too personal, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, kato.
Okay. Group hug!
Hold in. Hold your breath.
Hold your breath.
Hirap ko para hindi masimutan.
No, dapat damay-damay.
I hear inhaling.